If you enjoy throwing your partner, or if you enjoy being thrown by your partner, then you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be discussing how to reduce injuries while doing aerials. And today, I'm going to let other people do the dancing, mainly because I don't have a partner. Hi everyone, my name is Adrian. I am a physical therapist and a fellow swing dancer. One of the main reasons that injuries occur during aerials is because there is not enough strength to protect the body from the high impact that occurs during aerials. In a moment, I'm going to show you 4 exercises for follows, 4 exercises for leads, and 1 easy exercise that both partners can do. Ultimately, being stronger is going to spare you from injuries. These exercises are going to protect you and your partner from getting hurt. Let's jump into the exercises for follows. Exercise number 1, jump squats. Make sure you land softly, bending your knees to cushion your landing, and keep your knees over your feet. Try not to let your knees touch or move too much side to side. Do these every other day until you can do 20 in a row with proper form, landing, and little fatigue. Try jumping higher as you get stronger. Exercise number 2, calf raises. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Go up on your toes and make sure your ankles don't shake too much. The pressure should be placed on the ball of your foot. Do these every other day, trying to reach 40 in a row with good control and balance. Exercise number 3, push-ups. On the floor, put your hands just outside of your shoulders. You should be able to do these on your toes, but it can be modified using your knees. A very simple exercise everyone knows how to do. Do these every other day until you are able to do 10 to 15 full push-ups on your toes in a row with little trouble. In addition to helping reduce the stress on your partner, adding push-ups to your exercise routine makes sure that you can support yourself when you're in the air, or if you need to push yourself off your partner. And exercise number 4, chair dips and holds. Sit in a chair with arm rests and you can do dips. You should also do holds. You can work your way up to doing chair dips and holds with your body weight. Do these every other day until you can hold your body weight for 5 to 10 seconds and until you can do 20 chair dips. Because at times you'll have to hold yourself up and push yourself from hand embrace, chair dips and holds will help you support yourself with control. That does it for the follows, so let's swing over to the leads. Exercise number 1. First for the leads are rows. Take a band, make a knot, put it through a door and pull, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This is a simple exercise that can be done at the gym or at home. Having stable scapular muscles can help protect your shoulder, your neck, and your lower back. It can also help your partner feel more confident when they are in the air. Do this every day until you can do a blue or black band 20 repetitions in a row. Exercise number 2, rotator cuff. Grab a band, hold it in both hands with your thumbs up. Keep your elbow by your side, bend your elbows to 90 degrees and stretch the band. Your rotator cuff muscles are the small muscles in your shoulder that keep your shoulder joint sturdy in the socket. Strong rotator cuff muscles can significantly reduce shoulder injuries and give you more power and control when supporting your swing partner. Do these every other day until you can do a green or blue band 20 repetitions in a row. Exercise number 3, bicep curls. Much of the initial lifting in the arms come from the biceps, which help lift your partner up. Doing simple bicep curls can help protect your shoulder and makes you have more control on the initial aerial, or if you need to grasp your partner. Do this every other day, 3 sets of 10, with a weight that feels challenging by the time you hit number 8 on your first set. Lastly for leads are planks. On the ground, rest on your forearms and place them shoulder width apart. Engage your core. Working on your core muscles helps protect your back and it gives you a more stable frame for your partner. Do this daily until you can hold it for 60 seconds unbroken. Working on your core muscles helps protect your back and also gives you a stronger, more stable frame for your partner. Now that we've covered both follows and leads, here's a bonus exercise that will help strengthen your legs that both partners should do. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and squat down. Do these every other day until you can get up to 30 in a row without getting fatigued. I also recommend when starting out to do this in front of a mirror to see if your knees fall in. If you notice that your knees fall in, go check out my previous video on chronic knee issues, and it may be best to wait before continuing to do aerials. There you have it, 9 great exercises that you can do to protect your body during aerials. Ultimately, being stronger in several key muscles protects your body from injury when you're doing aerials. There is no easy way around working out and building strength. Make the time to prepare your body for the demands of aerials, and you will have a safe and amazing time. In the next video, I'll be discussing shoulder issues so that you can swing dance pain-free.